Hi, how are you? Today you can see the black carp here. So for the drawing, let's start the drawing from the top portion. Alright, I'm doing the outline with a regular pen, and the shape is going to be different for this fish. So each fish has its own characteristics and the body types. Alright, so this is the eye I'm going to put now. Alright, little bit drawings here. Okay. For the top portion, you can see that I'm putting the details of the hard part of the fishes, and it's almost straight to the tail and coming up the curves like a U-turn, and I'm going to meet up these 2 points, and this is also going to the bottom side. And other details here you can see. All right. Okay, so you can see the usual outline is here. It's a special shape for this fish. All right. Now I'm going to put the colors with another black pencil. This is the color I'm just putting right now. The usual shades for this fish is totally black from the top to the tail. You can see from the drawing here. I'm drawing the tail right now. This portion is also black. Also this portion black. And this one is black. So lots of black colors. And the head, we have a few details here. Okay. Little bit dark red color you can see in the bottom for the details of the fish. And the dark blue color you can have for all these details. Let's put the details of the tail and finishing up here with a uniform color distributions. All right, now I'm going to put the scales just to draw the outlines and put the shapes in a nice shades. All right, so lots of scales you can see in its body. Getting smaller to the tail. All right, so this is the drawing of black carp fish. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon sound to get the more updates. You can also browse through the playlist to see different categories and drawings. We have lots of sections out there. We have lots of drawings there. You can start your learning right away, selecting your own categories and your own choices. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.